Judicial institution Kudingmak, Mapangan, Kankhat-Hannaba, Leingakna Pangba Yaba Mateng, Pumnamak Panggani, Haina Chief Minister Yumnam Kemchana, Fongdokre, Wafamasi, High Court of Manipur Gingasi, Taragahumdu Shuba, Foundation Degi Tauramda, Mahakna Fongdokibani. High Court of Manipur na silaga Manipuri da Leiba, Court Complex the Pangtok Patauramada Manipuri Governor Ajay Kumar Bhala, High Court of Manipuri Chief Justice M. Sundar, Justice A. Bimol, Justice A. Guneshwar Sarma, Manipur Judicial Academy Retired Director Justice Golmai Gaifung Silu, Manipur Advocate General Lenin Hizamna Chingba Miyoi Kayana Sarukyaki. Tauramgi Manung Channa 7 days ECT program da season nagadaba E-Seva Kendra Bus ama E-Mota Governor na Luchinglaga Haudoki. Loinana 13 years of Justice High Court of Manipur Haiba Mingthonba documentary ama Utpayauna souvenir Manipur State Legal Services Authority gi newsletter Handbook of Legal Term Fongbaga loinana Manipur Judicial Academy Vision Document English ngani kungataruk English ngani kuntraga taruk su puthoki. Thauramadu Chief Minister Yumnam Kemchana hai Manipur gi subordinate court sing hena Mapangan Kankhat-Hannaba infrastructure development gi thabak paikhat pahore judiciary gi pandam fangnanaba aikoi punna thabak tongminaba mathautai principle of justice fangnanaba amasung miyam gi mathautaba legal system lehananaba makhatana punna thabak tongminasi haina mahakna fongdoki.
Country, the judiciary has played a significant role from being the guardians of the constitution and able protector of rights of the people. Judiciary should work in tandem with the legislature and the executive to bring a good governance in the state. The government is extending its maximum support and cooperation to judiciary and enhance the infrastructure development of the court in the state. The government has taken up development for infrastructure of various subordinate courts in the state. We must continue to work together to ensure that the judiciary fulfills its purpose and serves the needs of our community. Let us strive to create a legal system that is responsive to the needs of our citizens and uphold the principle of justice. The state government will continue to extend all support and effort to strengthen the legal institution for the goods of people of Manipur.
Amaromda Tauramaduga Mari Lenana, Governor Ajay Kumar Bhala na Fongdokibada, Ngasi Pangtok Liba Tauramasi, Rule of Law Ngakpada, Judiciary na Lauriba Taudang Adu Taklibani, Haukiba Chahi Taraga Humdoyasida, High Court of Manipur na Singtaningai Oiba Tabakaya Pangtokre, Mayam da Achumba Wail Atubada, Fanghananaba, Court Asina, Katokpa Amagalonina, Tabak Kigani Haibigi, Tazabalay Haina, Mahakna Fongdoki.
Constitutional framework, the judiciary occupies a place of immense trust. It's the institution to which citizens turn in moments of uncertainty, when rights are threatened, when disputes arise, and when justice must prevail. The strength of judiciary lies not only in the authority of the law, but in enduring confidence that people repose in its independence, wisdom, and impartiality. The High Court of Manipur, though relatively young as an independent institution, has in a short span of time established itself as a respected pillar of justice in the state. Its creation marked an important step in bringing justice closer to the people, ensuring accessibility and strengthening the rule of law. Over the years, the court has continued to evolve, safeguarding constitutional values while responding to the changing needs of the society.